My name is Archie, your EduCat, and I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents. Now you actually know how to use styles, creating a table of contents is super easy to do. Let's assume for this task, you have your document set up utilizing headings styled as heading 1, 2, and 3. To insert an automatic table of contents, place your cursor where you want the table to go in your document. Then, go to the References tab and click the Table of Contents button. Select Automatic Table 1. Here you'll see it will create a table using the headings you've styled. How cool is that? As you add changes to your document, you don't need to edit the table directly. Rather, you can update it by refreshing it with any changes to the headings you make and their respective page numbers. To update the table of contents, click the table to see the Update Table tab pop up above the table and click on that tab. In the dialog box that will appear, select the Update Entire Table option and click OK. This will refresh the table. If you want to insert a custom table of contents, again, place your cursor where you want the table to be and go to the References tab. Select Custom Table of Contents. Select the option you want from the dialog box that appears. You can choose how many headings to show, whether to show page numbers, whether entries are hyperlinked, etc. There are even more options to play with if you click the Options button. If you click the Modify button, it will open a Styles dialog box where you can modify the table of contents styles. However, you can modify these the same way you would any other style by using the Styles panel. I've been Archie, your EduCat. See you next time for more tips and tricks.